Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help how to study for SAT as a freshman. Start by taking a full diagnostic to find weak areas, then build a simple weekly plan with 3 focus sessions. Prioritize fundamentals in math and core vocabulary, mix untimed review with short timed drills, and track progress every 2 weeks so you can adjust study time and materials based on real results. Use active learning techniques like explaining answers out loud and using flashcards with spaced repetition for tricky vocabulary and formulas. Include at least one official full-length practice test every 2 weeks, always timed, and simulate testing conditions to build stamina. After each practice, sort mistakes into categories like careless, concept, or pacing errors so you can target the right practice without wasting study time. Select a primary official prep book and pair it with an online question bank for varied practice and reliable scoring feedback. Use a simple timer for sections and a notes app to log persistent errors and improvement trends. If self-study stalls, try a short tutoring block or join a study group to get personalized tips and accountability that keeps progress moving steadily and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.